Welcome to Vision MBA. Now guys, IFT examination is on 24th of January. Now in this video, I'm going to give you few pointers. These pointers you must focus upon in these last few days. Less than a week is remaining for the examination to happen. And trust me, just like every student, I'm sure even you guys got butterflies in your tummy. So in this video, I will tell you that what you must do in these last few days so that you perform well in the examination. And of course, the preparation and the confidence you'll take from these last days will do wonders on the day of examination. So the first point is, do not get stuck in any section. Now while attempting mocks, now I'm sure you guys are attempting mocks to get the hang of IFT examination. So while attempting a mock, make sure that you do not get stuck into one section. In IFT examination, you got sectional time limit. No, there is no sectional time limit, but there is the cutoff score for each section. Now what happens is when you are attempting the IFT examination, I'm sure that you must have experienced this. You are giving the examination or you're attempting the examination, I must say, and you invest a lot of time in one section. You do not realize that you have to attempt other sections too. Now the challenge is that maybe there is no time limit, there is no sectional time limit, but there is sectional cutoff. So you have to make sure that you keep on attempting all the sections and all the questions depending upon what kind of questions you are getting. So that is the first point. So the second pointer is, let's say you're attempting a mock. So first thing first, you must go through all the questions and attempt those questions that can easily be done. Now guys, IFT is an examination that is going to gauge you on time management. Only there are 110 questions and of course 120 minutes are there. In 120 minutes, you have to attempt 110 questions. So you cannot invest more than 1 minute, or I strongly suggest that do not invest more than 1 minute in any question. How to do that and how to make sure that you achieve the sectional cutoff and do not get stuck into every section. You look at the question, if you can attempt it easily, attempt it. Go for the rounds. First round is for the easy questions. You saw the question, you know you can attempt this question easily, attempt that question and then move on. In first round, you attempt those all questions out of 120 that you can easily attempt without paying a second thought to it. Now, of course, then you got certain amount of time left in your hand. Then you go for the second round. In the second round, you will try to attempt those questions that you can still attempt by investing a little bit more time. Now in these two rounds, guys, not only you will not get stuck into any section, but you will also get to know that what all questions are there. You will be attempting each and every question. And remember guys, in IFT examination, there is negative marking. You are not going to attempt any question on assumption, because if you do that, you're going to lose the mark. So if you have any doubt in your head while attempting a question that this kind of question might be, I'm not getting it right and maybe the options are not making sense, do not attempt it. Now the third point is, now guys, in IFT examination in last few years, I have seen the trend that they will always give you tricky questions. Tricky questions, what I mean by that they are going to give you questions where the answers couldn't be found. It is insanely difficult given the consideration to the time and the number of questions given in the examination, or maybe options are not making sense. So you do not get stuck into that. The moment you feel that yes, the answer is not making sense, move on. Do not get emotionally attached to any question. Do not get emotionally attached to any section. So that is the third point I want to clarify in these last few days for every student who is going to attempt IFT examination on 24th of January. Guys, keep it simple. Keep it simple and calm yourself. While attempting the examination, the more relaxed you are, the better your performance is going to be. You do not try to get stuck into any question. If the question is making sense, you do it. If not, move on. Do not attempt it randomly because there is negative marking. And that way, not only you will save yourself from negative marking, but also one more thing you're going to do. That one more thing is that you won't be getting mentally drained. You'll be mentally refreshed. You will be mentally fresh for the next question. And remember this thing, guys, in these last few days, remember to calm yourself. Attempt mocks and please focus on these pointers, but then do not attempt so many mocks. Give yourself adequate time in between to refresh yourself. Do something you love. Do something that refresh your mind. Listen to music, hang out with friends, watch a series, but come back to your studies. Attempt a mock, analyze it, and remember those pointers which I have mentioned. In examination, you have to keep in mind those pointers which I have mentioned. And yes, in these last few days, whenever you're going to attempt the mocks, focus on these pointers so that on the examination day, you repeat the process. Trust me, not only you're going to get the cutoff in the sectionals, but of course you won't be getting stuck in any section. Thank you and best of luck, guys.